Hey guys, it is Nancy Ann. I have for you today a try-on and review of Drape Fit. They are one of the more budget-friendly styling services, and I'm going to tell you at the onset, I'm just a little bit worried about this one. If you know anything about me and you're looking at this shirt right here, that would be a little indication as to why. So let's just get on with this and see how it goes. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. A snoring Ruger and I are going to bring you another try-on and review of Drape Fit. I believe this is my 6th fit is what they call these boxes. Let me just give you a quick rundown about Drape Fit. They are one of the least expensive of all of the styling services. Their clothes, prices, and quality run along the lines of Target and Walmart. You pay a $20 styling fee, and you fill out a profile online that has things like your sizes and your preferences, that sort of thing. It's not a very long profile. And then a stylist sends you 6 to 9 items from what I've noticed to try in the comfort of your home. They have jewelry as well as clothing. I believe they also have men's and children's fits, and I think they have a very wide range of sizes. Once you have tried everything on and decided what you want to keep, what you do not keep gets returned in this prepaid mailer. You go online, you check out, you tell them what you're going to keep, what you aren't, you leave notes, and you pay the balance of what you owe for what you kept. So that's the long and short of it. You have 5 days to try on and decide in the comfort of your own home what you would like to keep. Like I said on the intro, little concerned about this one. When I was unboxing it, I was thinking, what in heaven's name? On a couple of things. If you subscribe to Tina from Tina's Best Midlife, she did a Drape Fit at the beginning of October. You have to go check that unboxing out. There is one dress. Her reaction to the dress is even funnier than the dress itself. So please go over there, find that, and check it out. It was pretty darn funny. I was laughing out loud when I was watching her. Alrighty, let's get on to the pieces. A stylist note does come. I'm not going to read that to you. I think those can get a little bit boring, and I've kind of broken the rules on how she wanted me to put pieces together because I felt like these two pieces would work better together than the way she kind of had them planned out. Let's start out with these pants. These are a very thin fabric. I guess they're supposed to be like a dress pant. They are pull-on, and they're too small. I'm just going to address the elephant in the room, and they're small enough. I am not going to turn around for you with the shirt tucked in because you can literally see every lump and bump and dimple on me. I can even see the outline of the pocket through these. They don't feel like good quality. I will say that if the fabric were a little better quality, the styling would be pretty cute. I do think, however, they're very awkward length on me. I struggled with what shoes to wear with this outfit. It's fall, it's October. I don't wear sandals like this anymore, but this was really the only thing I could put on that I felt like worked with these. Like I said, it does have pockets, wide waistband, and yeah. This olive green color is not one I wear a lot, and I have no pants in this color, and I don't know how much of my wardrobe would really work with it anyway. So let's just move on to the top. I do think this is a cute little top. I think this could work for 3 seasons, probably not winter, but the colors I think would work in spring, summer, and fall. It is an elbow length, just a little bit above, elasticized sleeve. Let's see, we've got a little tie in the front. This is going to make noise. Oh, it's hang on. I think this can pull down over my shoulders. It can, I had to look in my viewfinder. It could pull down over my shoulders. Okay, so there's some versatility to it. I do think it's awful cute up too. I hope my microphone's not making a bunch of noise there. So it's just kind of a basic little top. I think what makes it so cute is the print. So I do like this top. It doesn't feel like super high quality, but I don't think it's going to have a super high price. Have not looked at the prices yet. We'll do that at the end. Let me show you the length on this one. So there we go. And it's, just trust me, it's this length all the way around. I'm not turning around. I'm very self-conscious in these pants. So there we go. Those are the first 2 items. I'm gonna come back with a shirt for you. This will be fun. I do not like holding my microphone, but it doesn't work with these high necks. It's just too close up and it's way too loud for you guys. So I'm hoping we can regulate the volume on editing for this, but I do want to talk to you about this shirt, and this is where the train comes off the tracks. So there's one color I absolutely hate, and that's orange. And there's one pattern I absolutely hate, and that's tie-dye. And I actually state these things in every single one of my profiles with all of these styling services. I hate the color orange, and I do not like tie-dye. This shirt could not be any further off the mark. I also am not crazy about high necks. Now this one is not uncomfortable, but I don't think they're always the most flattering thing on me. So, and then it doesn't define the waist. I could tuck it in, but again, these pants are so tight, I'm not gonna do this, and the shirt's kind of hopeless anyway. So here's a length, not even a particularly flattering length on me. Someone wasn't listening. Okay, I'm gonna slide this on over top of it, and I have to put my microphone down to do it, so I'll be back in just a second. Does anyone remember the show Maude from the 70s? I am really dating myself right here, and I will say I was a young kid when that show came out, but Bea Arthur was the star, and she dressed an awful lot like this, kind of loosey-goosey flowing things, and I suppose it was supposed to look elegant, but all I can think about is Maude in this outfit, between the orange color and then the long flowy loose cardigan, not Lucy. Well, it is loosey-goosey. So this is an off-white cardigan. On the plus side, I will say it is really soft and comfortable. And actually the quality on this does not feel bad. It's just the styling I don't like. Plus it's too big. It's a size large. I could easily use a medium. With Drape Fit, I had to bump my shirt size up to a large because they seem to lump junior and women's sizes together. And of course, in a junior size medium, it's hopeless. Actually, in a junior size large, it's hopeless. But it's just kind of a mixed bag. And I have to wonder if the stylists with Drape Fit understand the difference in the two American sizes of juniors and women's. But anyway, we got this. Like I said, kind of a little bit of a waterfall front there. Really long. I'm about 5'9", and this comes down. Oh, pockets. I say that a lot. Oh, wait a minute. Is there pockets? There are pockets, yes. Comes down quite far in the back. I think this would be good styling on a lot of people. It's just not particularly flattering on me. So there we go. It's the Maude outfit. Last two items. I gotta tell you, confession, I put these pants on backwards at first. I was fussing around in the mirror going, what is wrong with the fit? Something's not right. And then I pulled the front and realized I was looking at the tag for the back. So I switched the whole thing around, embarrassed myself. Should have been obvious. There's a couple of pin tucks that go all the way down the front. The styling on these is actually not bad, and I think they're kind of cute. They are really high-waisted. I mean, they are way up here, which I think can be a good look on me. Love the pin tucks going down the front. I think that's a very slimming look. I don't know if you can see it on the black pants, but it's there. And then it's smooth across the back. I do think they're a little bit too small, but I think you can see every lump and bump, although being black, you guys might not be able to see it. And they are nice and long with a little bit of just a little bit of a kick flare type, you know, nice wide leg. And that's where what I like about them ends. First of all, they are itchy. This is that inexpensive type of polyester that just has that real itchy feel to it. So I couldn't wear these for very long without it driving me stark raving mad. And the waistband keeps trying to roll. So I don't know if you can see it's gaping a little bit there in the back. I mean, I would like have to stick my stomach out to make it fit correctly, but it keeps trying, the elastic inside it wants to move around and shift in back. Now, I don't know, yeah, and this could have been easily solved. So this again is another sign oftentimes of a poorly made garment. You're about to get another little sewing tip. On higher made garments, they will take the elastic in a waistband or elsewhere, and they'll actually, after they're done with the garment, stitch right through the seam, at least here on the side, and sometimes they'll also go in the seam in the back. And in this garment, you would also have the opportunity to sew it right here also. Well, there's an intersecting seam in front and where the pin tucks are, to ensure that that elastic does not roll. So if you've ever got a garment where your elastic is rolling around and getting a little tangled in there, somehow work it straight. And then if you have a sewing machine or know someone with one, they can just run it through real quick with a matching thread and keep that from rolling on you in the future. So this was completely avoidable. It would drive me crazy, and eventually in the wash and things, it would start twisting inside of its casing. That's what the elastic is stuck into. It's called a casing, the opening for the elastic. All right, so those are a no-go. And now the top. The top is a particularly cute when tucked in. It's probably a large. I think it fits okay in a large. Again, the reason why I tell Drape Fit that I need a large. Nice long sleeves. They're almost too long, but not quite. I don't mind it. It's okay. Pulled out though, and I like the V-neck. A good color. I love this color on me. This is one of my very favorite colors, and probably purple is my most flattering color to wear. But when you pull it out, kind of my waist is lost a little bit. It's more of a tunic shape. Goes up at the sides, and then, is that right? Yep. And then dips down here in the back. So I don't mind this one. I don't know if I need another top like this, but I think this is probably the best quality top item actually in the whole box. Very comfortable too, nice and soft and comfy. Alrighty, let's come back and we'll wrap this up quickly. As I was putting on my jeans and getting out of these horribly uncomfortable and itchy black pants, it occurred to me that I did not go into my style profile and change the written part that tells the stylist what I'm looking for. Apparently there is a method by which you can communicate directly with the stylist with Drape Fit. I've heard other unboxers talk about it. This has never happened for me, and the only way I've ever been able to figure out again is to fill out that written portion on the actual profile itself. And I think I kept it on, can you find me some fall transition pieces? And if that is the case, she actually didn't do a bad job at all. So I'll give her that. Having said that, 4 of these 6 pieces just didn't work for me, and no way. So let's run over these real quick. We've got the Zenana long sleeve V-neck round hem top, size large, 10 to 12 in purple. This is $25. This is probably my favorite thing in the whole box. I am going to take this upstairs and see if I have another purple long sleeve top. I really can't remember. The quality actually doesn't feel bad at all. It's very soft. And just kind of examine it and see if it's something I think I would really wear. Then we've got the long cardigan with the pocket. This did not look good on me, but it would look on other people. Size 12 large in cream, $29.99. The brand on this is Culture Code. So like I said, that would work on somebody, just not the right one for me. Then we've got the off-shoulder floral print top. Haha, it is supposed to be worn off shoulder. Size 12 large in white. It's $28.75. I actually liked this one. I thought this was kind of cute. Doesn't feel like real high quality, but the price reflects that, and I'm okay with that. So I don't know. I'll think about it. What do you think? Should I keep that one? Then we've got the women's high-waisted wide leg palazzo pants, size extra large in green, $29.99. The brand on these, there's no brand on these. This happens with Drape Fit sometimes. There's just no brand. Those didn't work for me. Too short, too thin, too tight. No way. And, oh, the tie-dye sleeveless top. My favorite. Not really. Size 10, large in orange. This one is also $29.99. No. And that feels kind of summery. I mean, I can see where you could transist it to fall, but not the top for me. That is the antithesis of what I'm looking for in a top. And then the plus size wide leg pants in size 1X, 14W to 16W in black, $30. 14W to 16W. Now that can't be a junior size because it says 14W to 16W. You're supposed to wear this so it's so tight you can like see every single lump and bump in this one too. The brand is Find Me Plus. They didn't work for me anyway, so there we go. That's it. That is my Drape Fit unboxing for the month. Well, not an unboxing. It was a try-on and review for the month of October. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. If you enjoy these types of videos, would love to have you as a subscriber. As always, I super appreciate it if you hit the like button, and absolutely love communicating with you all down in the comments. And we will see you on the next video. Bye-bye and be blessed. As I was switching into my own jeans because I can't find my, oh, there it is. Okay. Didn't have the invoice or my glasses. Let's try again.